on the journey now for about 3 years in supply chain. And what we're trying to do is increase how we influence sustainability with our suppliers. So awareness of sustainability, awareness of how we procure and what we procure, and procuring with purpose is a big part of what we're doing. So we've been embedding questions in our RFP processes to gather data and to influence suppliers. So for example, one of the questions that we have is, do you have a supplier code of conduct? So a supplier code of conduct can actually ensure that they are doing things that are in line with treating workers fairly. And the more that we can influence through asking these questions, then we'll be able to enforce it with our suppliers. And at one point, we hope to say, well, actually, if you don't have a supplier code of conduct, we may choose not to do business with you. The lack of data related to supplier information on their materials and where they come from actually impedes our ability to identify what our Scope 3 emissions are. And so we've recently decided that that is something that's very important to track and to reduce over time. And so we need to collect data from all of the suppliers. Consider the oil and gas industry because of the level of commitment and investment we have in the new technologies and in the energy transitions. That's actually where you're going to find the leading edge and the biggest accomplishments in the environmental side. I think coming together and working together to create the best ideas, tracking our sustainability efforts, I think can be much more effective. When I went to the Ariba conference in Austin a couple of years ago, I thought they did a great job, and we were able to network with a lot of different organizations there to actually enhance our movement towards sustainability.